In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can send crypto from Binance to another Binance. So if you are trying to send crypto to another Binance account, this person needs to give you the wallet address of that specific crypto. If it's Bitcoin, they have to give you the Bitcoin wallet address. If it's USDT, they have to give you USDT wallet address. Now for them, they have to go to wallet and fiat and spot, and they have to select the crypto that they are trying to receive from you. So if they are trying to receive, for example, Bitcoin, as you can see, they have to click on deposit, as you can see, and they have to select a network. They have to select Bitcoin on network, and they have to click on copy, and they have to send you this address. This address is going to allow you to send the Bitcoin to this Binance account. Now if they select another crypto, which is something else, they have to select a different network. Okay, now Bitcoin, they have to go with the Bitcoin. If you have any questions about this, about the network, the correct network, you want to tell me in the comments. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. Now they have to copy this and they have to send it to you. Now after they send to you the wallet address of Bitcoin, then you have to go to your Binance and click on fiat and spot, and you then have to click on, you want to search for Bitcoin. I'm going to search for it here where it says search Bitcoin, and you need to click on where it says like withdraw. If you can't see here withdraw, you want to click on these three little dots, click on withdraw. Then you want to paste here the address that you have copied, that we have copied a few minutes ago. Like the person has to copy this address and they have to send you this address. After you paste it here where it says address, the network is selected, which is Bitcoin. You have to select the same network. Okay, Bitcoin, I have selected Bitcoin. Now you want to select the amount of Bitcoin. If it's 1, then you can select it, then click withdraw, and that's it. Hopefully this video guys helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.